Okay, boys and girls, just a quick demonstration on how to install brackets on your computer. The first thing you need to do is if you go onto your search engine and or even your home screen and you type in brackets, it should come up with a website called brackets.io. So can I get the students in the class who haven't actually gone onto that website to go onto that website right now? So that's brackets.io. Okay. Once you've done that, I'm going to get you guys to click on download brackets 1.12. 1.12. Now, by clicking on the home screen brackets, you're actually getting the Windows version of brackets. By clicking on the other downloads and going to the DMG version, you are downloading the Mac version of brackets. All right, but what we want is, because we are Windows, we want to download the Windows version by clicking on that link. Okay, so after we're done clicking on that link, it's going to ask us to save the file. It's about 69 megabytes. You go ahead and hit the save button and get that downloaded onto your computer. Okay, once you have finished downloading it, it'll appear at the top here if you're using Firefox that it's been downloaded. You can go into a folder, go into downloads and scroll down to where it could be. So in this particular case, it'll be down here. There we go. Brackets release 1.12. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and double click on this one here to actually go ahead and install it on my computer. It'll come up with this prompt over here um, to run the file, and that's what you want to do. You want to click on run the file, and that will then take you through the installation process. You can change the location as to where you want to install it. I prefer to keep it on the default location. It just makes things a whole lot easier. And then I'm going to keep that ticked. I'm going to keep this one ticked, and I'm just going to go next. It's then going to ask me, do you want to install it? I'm going to go yes, and it's going to do its job. Okay, so I'm going to yes this as well from the account control center, which will allow me to do the installation. Okay, so when you're finished with the installation process, which can take a little bit of time, you'll come up with this little prompt here. Click here to finish. Click finish to exit. So let's do that. And what it's then going to do is it's then going to complete the installation process. So once you've finished installing brackets onto your computer, you then need to actually go ahead and open up brackets. So what you would do then is you would click on the Windows button over here at the bottom left-hand corner. You will then click on the little search magnifier at the top over here, and you will simply type in brackets. Okay, it'll come up with an icon at the top over here. You don't want to click on the installers, the MSI ones. You want to click at the icon at the top. Click on that one, and that'll open up brackets on your computer. In the next tutorial, we're going to have a look at how we're going to configure brackets in order to start creating our very first website.